Hello and welcome to Victor George Leather Goods YouTube. So today I'm going to do something very quick and I'm going to demonstrate to you by popular demand my TreeStump bench. So this one happens to be 37 inches tall by about 13.5 inches round on top. I'm sorry, I don't know what type of tree this is. All I know is that it's solid and sturdy. I got it from my local firewood guy and he cut it to my specs. And it is stable. You might have to wedge it, but it comes in super handy. I have a steel plate from my local steel scrapyard, and I have a poundo board on top. So these things make great bases or platforms for heavy hitting. All right. So as you saw on my stump here, on this one here, I think I have a 2-inch wide strap and then 6/7 ounce veg tan for the loops. And all you do is you take a strap and you cut individual slots at whatever distance or size that you want, depending on what kind of tools that you'd like to have available here. So it's nothing more than cutting your slots and then taking another piece of leather for the loop stock and running it in between like this. And then you can make them any size you want. And then what I do is I rivet them here. So I would have continued a little bit further, but you see that flaw. And that's the kind of effort I go through for you folks. Anyway, just kidding, but I did smack myself pretty good. Anyway, then all you do is you wrap that around your tree stump, and then I tacked it in place, and I'm going to load it up with the tools that I use now. I'll show you that, and we'll call it a day. Thanks. All right, here is my shop stump, and I'm going to try to walk and talk at the same time while I show you the tools that I keep on there handy at all times, no matter whether I'm working on the stump or the bench. It's super handy to have, and with a steel plate anvil and a poundo board on top, it comes in super handy for cutting out rosettes or anything else where you don't want any bounce back from your hammers. So you can cut through 10-12 ounce leather with a punch very easily with a heavy hammer, and there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed this quick little tree stump tour, and looks pretty cool in the shop. Thanks.